Next problem. If u equal to tan inverse of x cube plus y cube by x plus y, then find the value of x square into dou square u by dou x square plus 2xy plus dou square u by dou x into dou y plus y square into dou square u by dou y square. Solution. Here given the value of u as given u equal to tan inverse of x cube plus y cube by x plus y. So now let us take this is as f of u equal to tan u. So this is also equal to x cube plus y cube by x plus y. So now let f of u equal to z of x comma y. So which implies z of x comma y equal to what? We have to write f of u. It means x cube plus y cube by x plus y. So now we have to check whether the function z is homogeneous or not. So if it is homogeneous, then we have to find out the degree of this function. So in the place of x, write kx, z of kx comma ky equal to, in the place of x, write kx whole cube plus ky whole cube by kx plus ky. So then write k cube is common, k cube into x cube plus y cube by k is common, k into x plus y. So here k square. So then k square into x cube plus y cube by x plus y. So such as k square into, so what is this, z of x comma y. So it means z of kx comma ky can be written as k power n into z of x comma y. So therefore it is a homogeneous function of degree is 2. So therefore we have to write here it is a homogeneous function. It is a homogeneous function of degree is 2. Now according to Euler's theorem, so what we have to write, x into zx plus y into zy equal to n into z. N means here degree. So what is the degree? 2 into z. So here, so what is the function of z? So here z equal to what is the given function? Tan u. So now differentiating with respect to x. So then dou z by dou x equal to dou by dou x of tan u. So what is the differentiation of tan x? Secant square x. So it means secant square u into, here the variable is u and here with respect to x. So then again differentiating with respect to x to the function u. So then dou u by dou x. So now again differentiating with respect to y. So then now dou z by dou y equal to dou by dou y of what is that function? Tan u. So then now the differentiation of tan x is secant square u. So then here the variable is u, here with respect to y. So then now again differentiating with respect to y to the function u. Then what we have to write here? Dou u by dou y. So now substituting dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y values in the given Euler's equation. So then now x into, now write dou z by dou x value, secant square u into dou u by dou x plus now y into secant square u into dou u by dou y. So then now which equal to what you have to write, n into z, it means 2 into tan u. Then now which implies x into secant square u into dou u by dou x plus y into secant square u into dou u by dou y equal to 2 tan u. So then now in this one let us take secant square u is common into x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y equal to, so what is here, we have to write 2 tan u. So then now which implies, so what you have to write, x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y equal to 2 tan u into 1 by secant square u. 1 by secant square u. So then here 2 tan u into 1 by secant square u means cos square u. So then now 2 tan u can be written as sin u by cos u into here cos square u. Here 1 cos u is cancelled. 2 sin u cos u means sin 2u. Sin 2u. So now treated this sin 2u as g of u. Let us take this sin 2u as g of u. G of u equal to sin 2u. And another we have to take the function g of u and now g dash of u. So what we have to write, g dash of u dou by dou x of sin 2u. So what dou by dou u of sin 2u. So what is the derivation of sin x? Cos x. So cos 2u into dou by dou u of another differentiation 2u. So then cos 2u into the differentiation of 2u is 2. So here again differentiating of sin x is cos x. Here 2u. So that's why you have to differentiating with respect to u to the variable 2u. So then 2 into the differentiation of u is 1. So 2 into 1 here 2. So therefore cos 2u into 2, it can be written as 2 cos 2u. And then g dash of u minus 1. Let us take g dash of u minus 1. So which is equal to 2 cos 2u minus 1. Let us take g dash of u minus 1 can be considered as 2 cos 2u minus 1. So now from the given Euler's statement, by Euler's theorem. So what is in the given statement? So x square into dou square u by dou x square plus 2xy into dou square u by dou x dou y plus y square into dou square u by dou y square equal to, so what is in here, g of u into g dash of u minus 1. This is in the given statement. So now write here g of u means sin 2u into g dash of u minus 1 means 2 cos 2u minus 1. So then now which gives 2 sin 2u into cos 2u minus sin 2u. So then now sin 2 into, now right here. So now here 2 sin 2u cos 2u. So what is the formula? 2 sin theta cos theta equal to sin theta. So it means here sin 2 into, again here what is the variable here? 2u. So then sin 2 into 2u minus here write sine 2u. So then now sine 2 into 2u means sine 4u minus sine 2u. So then now therefore x square into dou square u by dou x square plus 2xy into dou square u by dou x dou y plus y square into dou square u by dou y square equal to sine 4u minus sine 2u. So this is the solution. So here in the given u equal to tan inverse of x cube plus y cube by x plus y, then find the value of x square into dou square u by dou x square plus 2xy into dou square u by dou x dou y plus y square into dou square u by dou y square. So the value of this one is sine 4u minus sine 2u.